Hello, Bruce at Singapore here. For today's video, I want to share with you some insight on the stock Thai Beverage Public Company Limited. This stock is listed in the SGX and the constitute SDI index. I bought it 1 month ago with a 58 cents and a 25% up. The next week is a Q3 earning call. My instinct tell me maybe sell half, take profit before the Q3 earning. That's why I created this video for the analysis for myself. So as a disclaimer, I have to say that this is my personal analysis. Is if you make a decision for investment, please judge yourself. Takes responsibility from your side. Okay, is last Friday is the stock price ended 72.5 cents. Is when I look at the 1 month chart is before the U.S. election. Sector rotation driven by institutional investor happened from the growth stocks to the value stock, and the US stocks, the emerging stock. My view, this stock actually take advantage of the both sector rotation of this. When I look at the chart, is like a Bollinger Band, upper side is go up, a line quite good, and the volume is up quite nice, and the MACD is a nice trend momentum. But like RSI already 79 is over purchase level, my view. I can confirm with the institutional net buy volume as well. Is during the November 2nd is a Thai Beverage, the 5th of the largest net buy among like a STI index stock, and November 9 is 8th. So a lot of the institutional buyer already buy. Then I bought this stock is a 58 cents about 1 month ago. Why is most of the important reason is a counter cyclical stock. Is as you guys know is during the recession, whatever happens is people gonna buy necessities like food, beverage, and also like use the utility, electricity, water. And also government contract is whatever happens, government contract is that it will not be affected. So that's why this cyclical stock is Thai Beverage profile is fit this cyclical stock. And furthermore, is 90% of the revenue is basically alcohol for the Thai Beverage. During the COVID-19, alcohol demand is really up. As I share with you, EIU Economist Intelligence Unit reports say that is a CPI go up, and alcohol, tobacco consumption is really go up. Second reason is a high recovery rebound expected for this is a Thailand and Singapore stock market. Actually, the position as the worst performance in the Asia during the COVID-19. My view is because both countries manage the COVID-19 very strictly, and both countries rely on the tourism a lot. Is obviously this COVID-19 days is hit hard on the economy on that. But once is a recovery, this is gonna quickly come back. Is a law. And the third is some valid reason for the lower price. So the protests happen. Some investors gonna does not want to take that kind of stock. Also, government restriction alcohol ban happens in Thailand is April. An online purchase actually the restriction happened in July, and the Thai beverage rely on the 60% in the Thai business and the 90% is the alcohol business. So more than half of business rely on the alcohol Thai business. So that's why the both protest government restriction actually understand why price is lower. Okay, so also, then let's go to the overview of what the Thai Beverage Public Company Limited is. This company was established in 2003 and then listed in the SGX in 2006 and subsequently expanded to the non-alcohol beverage and the food business. Then the 2012 they expanded the business to the Singapore overseas. Then the 2017 is through acquisition. Myanmar and Vietnam they expanded. Then this gentleman is a founder and a very rich person. Is he owned the TCC is a cafe in Singapore as well. So sales share by product is 45% is beer, 43% spirit, and like about 1 or 2 years ago. Still, my point is 90% is alcohol business. When I visit their website, is product group is categorized this 6 segment, and most biggest part probably famous one is the Cham beer here. The spirit is lots of the varieties, is even the Cambodia and the Myanmar whiskey here. And then the other drink is isotonic, is like a Japanese Pocari Sweat. Is this 100 plus is so famous in Singapore. Japanese food is they are rolling out a lot too. Other articles say is a Thai beverage 23 to 24% of the beer market share in the ASEAN. That's big. And also like basically the Japanese food business, and the food business itself is expanded to triple size. Is they have a Japanese, non-Japanese restaurant 562. That's a lot. Then like their revenue component is as a geographically country is 60% come from the Thailand, 36% of the ASEAN. They're gonna pursue 50-50 international domestic in the future. Finance is a DBS like a more bullish on the next year. This year is a profit growth is a negative one, but next year is a 16% is a lot. P is a 14.9. Dividend yield is a 3.8. A lot is a PB value is a 2.7 down. Is that's why their target price is 90 cents and the highest, I think. Most important stuff is the risk factor, risk assessment. Is of course is as any slowdown in the Thailand economy could hurt. Is what factors of the slowdown is of course COVID-19. Does a COVID-19 impact the consumer sentiment for the alcohol consumption purchase? But the DBS analysts say is basically the sales are stabilizing. More than that, actually, the spirits domestic data 17% plus. Year-over-year growth and the 13% year-over-year growth in the August one. Oh my God, that's growth happens here. This one beer is the same trend. Is a 27% year-over-year rebound. Rebound is basically the April like alcohol ban rebound is dry, but after dry, August is still 4% year-over-year growth. For your references, this is an article for the alcohol ban effective from the April 10th to the I think May around the 3rd. That's happened. Then the online purchase ban happened in the July. So next factor is impact on the Thailand protests. Is but DBSA is on the basis of the historical data demonstration. A lot of demonstrations, you know, in Thailand is that the political uncertainty has a limited impact on alcohol sales. So I totally agree with that. Of course, it's an impact on the whole economy as basically in general, but alcohol sales is a limited impact. Then when I look at the Thai protest Wikimedia, what happened day by day, I bought the 19th is after the crackdown by police with water cannons happens. Then the stock price is so not much change, 57 cents, 58 cents. There's some supporting line there, I feel. That's why I bought at the time. Third risk factor is the most concerning from my side. High gearing is because the Fitch is a rating company affirm the Thai beverage at the BBB minus. Then most crucial point is maintains a negative outlook, which means this may highly probably is this going down to the BB. What does it mean is going down from the investment grade to the non-investment grade. That's really bad. Then this one mainly 2017 when they acquired the Myanmar and the Vietnam company is they borrow the money. Then after that is a Thai birds appreciation happens. So their cash flow is not strong. That may mainly impact on this rate in my view. But this rating analysis mainly say is their business is stable in terms of cash flow, so I don't worry about so much. Yeah. Then the debt to equity ratio is 1.56. That is going down. So they are more like try to fix this one too. Then the Vietnam business is also coming back, is indicating the gradual reversion to normality. Sabeco this is a Vietnam company. Is revenue down but profit up. Is definitely a good restructuring happens. Then the most amazing good news is after the first 9 months, the company completed 84% of the sales plan and 105% of the profit plan. So if they are over ahead of the plan, so that's upside. That's a good news from my view. Then why I'm thinking about sell now is the price itself is high. Maybe good time to sell is our first, of course, analysts are indicated this is a time. And also what the other analysts say is like a consensus is 73 cents or 74 cents. Then the most recent like analysis EOB is November 78 cents. Is next is the DBS most aggressive 90 cents. Is Philips Security 82 cents. Is from that angle is so stock is like a light enough high. Then the next is the even third quarter earning. I don't know whether it's good or not. So if I do not do anything, is basically I bet it's good. So better to sell half, and then let's see what happens. Also, institutional investor already put the dollars in, so not much additional dollars in. So next momentum come on out is my view is less likely because COVID-19 globally is next wave is coming. Is tourism is also coming back. Schedule may be delayed. That's why the momentum will not come soon. Okay, is earning call was released on their website on November 25th. I also checked like STI indexes, like what the Singapore and the Thailand market overall like performances. Singapore market 1 month 10% up, and the Thailand is 18.9% all day up. This may be up. Whether this price is go up further or not is I don't know. Maybe upside is limited. Then my final question come back is should I sell now? Is of course sell all is one way, and do nothing is the other way. And buy more is of course, but my view is sell half before the call and hold half. Okay, thank you for watching my video today. The good deal and a good day.